used it while traveling in Saga. It was nice that it included treasure hunting at Ryukoraku Kiln, famous for pottery. It's a famous place among Korean travelers, so on the day I visited, there were both Japanese and Korean travelers there. You can get a lot of pottery items and even try on a kimono, which seems like a great deal. The tickets currently cover a limited range of attractions and shops. They are mainly used at Utaku Inari Shrine and its shopping street. Some attractions are difficult to reach using public transportation, which is a pity. Have fun in Saga Pass 1 week free pass, pick 3 facilities. How to use. Start your pass with invalidity period, 90 days after the selected date. After scanning the code at the first facility, it remains valid for 7 days. During the valid period, you can use it at 3 facilities. Please check the information about each facility, business hours, and public holidays in advance at the following links: English https://www.travelpz.com/saga/n, traditional Chinese https://www.travelpz.com/saga/tc, simplified Chinese https://www.travelpz.com/saga/sc, Korean https://www.travelpz.com/saga/kr. Available facilities. Activities. Enjoy watching the Miko dance at Utaku Inari Shrine and experience the Tamaguchi offering ritual. Includes a complimentary goshyuan, temple seal/oil blotting paper souvenir. 2,000 yen discount coupon https://www.utakusan.jp/n/. Yosohohi Nifuku Kimono Shop, experience wearing kimono amidst the historic architecture-lined streets, 4,950 yen. 2,000 yen discount coupon https://yosohohifutaba.jp/. Toshima Citrus Orchard and Processing Factory, experience freshly squeezed Japanese fruit juice and compare 10 different flavors. Includes a complimentary tasting of sangria. 2,000 yen discount coupon http://kareem.net/pg115381.html. Wano Kodo Kodo Hajime Club, explore the old streets in authentic kimono attire. Enjoy a 3-hour kimono experience. 2,000 yen discount coupon https://www.instagram.com/wanokotokatohajime/. Food, shopping coupon. I'd showed in 2,000 yen coupon https://www.instagram.com/utaku_senbei/. Saga Ceramics Warehouse Treasure Hunt at Karansha. 5,500 yen package, 2,000 yen discount coupon https://korakukiln.business.site/.